This video is designed to help parents better understand the Interdistrict Attendance Appeal process. The law states you may appeal to the county when districts deny a child the ability to leave or to enter another district. The county board decision is final. You must be a parent, guardian, or holder of education rights to legally submit an appeal. The forms can be found on the Interdistrict webpage located at the address on the screen. Here is our web page. Select the Interdistrict Appeal Packet to open 3 pages. A letter describing the process in detail, including office hours and deadlines, plus 2 digital fillable forms. We accept either typed or handwritten documents. Now let's go over the form itself. It's important that you fill out all 6 sections on the Interdistrict Permit Appeal form completely. 1. Write the student's full legal name, followed by the birth date and gender as it appears on the birth certificate. 2. Mark if the appeal is for the current school year or for the next year. You may appeal only once per year, once to request exit from your district of residence, and or once to request entrance to your desired district. 3. Fill out the school information, including where the student is now attending, the school of residence, and the desired school, along with the best parent contact information to avoid any delays. 4. Do you need an interpreter? Check no for English only, or yes, and write what language you need for the hearing and the board meeting. 5. Indicate one reason for the appeal. Do you want to leave your district of residence? Were you denied entry for another district desired? Or did you miss the district deadline? And finally, 6. Please answer all 3 questions. This is a legal document. Your original signature and the date must be submitted. Find the directions on where to either mail or drop off below the signature line. If you need more space to answer the 3 questions or provide any additional information, you may write digitally or handwritten directly on this 3rd additional page. If you take more than 30 days to apply after your final denial, your application will not be accepted and will be returned to you. You may try again next year. If you miss the district deadline, you apply directly to the county. You will still have to return to your district to finish processing all missing paperwork after the board meeting, if there's space available at that late time. This process may take up to 2 months. It will not happen overnight. That's why deadlines appear early. Once you've submitted your timely forms within 30 days of denial, allow 20 days to invite participants to the first hearing to gather the facts. If the appeal cannot be resolved, then your case goes on to the next available board meeting. Allow 40 days for filling out the forms and to proceed to the board meeting. The LA County has heard over 1,500 appeals from within our 80 school districts. No other county in California comes even close. Only a parent may request a postponement, and we will schedule all meetings as soon as possible within the timelines. There are at least 3 participants at the first fact-finding hearing in our office. Here's our address. 1. Your title as appellant, since parents make the appeal. 2. A representative from the district denying the permit to either enter or to exit. And 3. The county consultant, who gathers facts, explains the process, and presents their written findings to the board. The consultant remains neutral and does not make recommendations. If you and the district still cannot come to an agreement after the fact-finding meeting, then you will return for a second meeting to argue your case before the LACOE School Board of Education. After the board hears from both sides, they may ask questions. The board will finally vote electronically, and you will see the results on a large screen immediately. If you see 4 or more yes votes, then you have been granted the permit. Only the county board may make this final decision for all 80 school districts. If you see less than 4 yes votes, then this is the end of your appeals process. Remember, the law states you may apply only once to exit and or once to enter for each district's final decision. If you have confidential information to share, please call our office to make arrangements for a closed board session. If you have any other questions about interdistrict appeals, please call our office as well. The numbers are listed at the bottom of this screen. We have maps and resources on our website for parents and districts to access. Thank you.